दिल से ऐसा भी कोई कर सकता है, right? In Delhi, we pick up the newspaper every morning, read, and we say, anyone can do something like this? There was a time when you could leave your children with your neighbors and go. आप अपनी बेटी को अपने पड़ोसी के घर छोड़ के जा सकते थे. आज आप अपनी बेटी को अपने घर के किसी रिश्तेदार के पास भी छोड़ के नहीं जा सकते. किसी के पास नहीं छोड़ के जा सकते, किसी के पास नहीं. Why? Trust, purity. Whether it's father, daughter, whether it's brother, sister, any relationship, purity has come down. इससे ज़्यादा हम नीचे नहीं गिर सकते. और इसलिए इस समय को अब कहते हैं घोर कलयुग. नॉट कलयुग बट घोर कलयुग. घोर मतलब जो पाप अत्याचार रीचेज इट्स पीक, अति पर पहुंच जाता है. लेकिन कुछ भी जब अति पर पहुंच जाता है उसके बाद क्या होगा? उसके बाद उसका अंत. सो दैट इज गुड न्यूज. अभी सुबह है. It's beautiful. We've all got ready. We are fresh, clean, energetic. By the time we meet in the night today, we're all going to be a little tired, sweaty, stinking, dirty, discharged. But within a few hours, again it will be morning. Again we'll be fresh, clean, energetic. Cycle. Morning, afternoon, evening, night. Night, pitch dark. After pitch darkness, again morning. होना ही है. सतयुग, त्रेता युग, द्वापर युग, कलयुग, घोर कलयुग. अभी घोर कलयुग के बाद the night can't go on for ever and ever and ever, no. However dark it might get, but after the darkness there has to be the morning. तो सतयुग, त्रेता युग, द्वापर युग, कलयुग, golden age, silver age, iron age, copper age, iron age. After Kalyug has to be, after the iron age, the golden age has to come again. Satyug. Why? Because it is a cycle. Spring, summer, autumn, winter. Again spring, summer, autumn, winter. It just goes on in a cycle. So one is a 24-hour cycle, the next is a 365-day cycle, and the next is a little bigger cycle, which we are not able to see in our one lifespan. That is that bigger cycle. So right now, if it is Ghor Kalyug, that also means that very soon we will have Satyug. Some time back, you must have seen on the news channels, breaking news. Did you hear breaking news? What was the news? What was the breaking news? The world is coming to an end, the news channel told us. And then they said, are you ready for it? What is there to get ready if it's coming to an end? क्या तैयारी करनी है? अगर खत्म होने वाला है तो कुछ तैयारी थोड़ी करनी है. तो परमात्मा ने आकर बताया, the world is not coming to an end. It's not coming to an end. It's not a destruction. It's not a विनाश होने वाला है. No. The world is going to go through a transformation. Yes, definitely transformation. One is saying the night is coming to an end, but it doesn't mean it's the end. It just means the night ends, but it also means the morning begins. So we are taking half information. We are saying the world is coming to an end. The world's not coming to an end. Yes, Kalyug is coming to an end. But is that bad news or is that good news? Is that bad news? Is that good news? That's excellent news. Pain and sorrow is coming to an end. and the world which is perfect, pure, beautiful is about to begin. Now we have to ask ourselves, are we ready? Are we ready for that? Satyug, how would the soul be? How would the soul be? Create the scene. Come on, let's create the scene. It's going to be so beautiful. Create the scene. How would the souls be in Satyug? कैसे होंगे? Battery will be 100% charged. Yes. Create the morning of the world. Right? We can see the morning of the day. Now let's see the morning of the world. When it actually started, the first time. How would it be? The battery would come down from the home. The soul would come. How would the soul be? Perfect. 100% charged. So 100% pure, powerful, positive. And when the soul takes the body, the soul would have a clear consciousness, I am a soul, this is my body. So 100% soul consciousness. And not one or two souls. All the souls would be like that. हर आत्मा शुद्ध और पवित्र होगी. वो आत्माओं को हम कहते हैं देवी देवताएं. Divine souls. What is Devi Devtaएं? Divya Atmaएं. Divine soul. So how would the soul be? Divine. 100% perfect. If the soul is perfect, how would the body be? If the soul is perfect, how would the body be? How would the body be? Perfect. इसीलिए आज भी देवी देवताओं की मूर्ति क्या नहीं होनी चाहिए? देवी देवताओं की मूर्ति खंडित नहीं होनी चाहिए. छोटा सा भी अगर टुकड़ा टूट गया, मूर्ति इज नॉट इंस्टॉल्ड. छोटा सा भी इफ इट गेट्स चिप्ड ऑफ, थोड़ा सा फ्रॉम द आइडल, इट इज नॉट इंस्टॉल्ड. व्हाई? क्योंकि देवी देवताओं का शरीर कभी भी खंडित नहीं था. क्योंकि आत्मा परफेक्ट थी, तो शरीर भी कैसा होगा? परफेक्ट. आत्मा परफेक्ट, शरीर परफेक्ट. प्रकृति कैसी होगी? नेचर. नेचर कैसी होगी? परफेक्ट. द वर्ल्ड इज परफेक्ट. दैट इज सत्युग, द परफेक्ट वर्ल्ड. अब एक शरीर लिया, छोड़ा, फिर लिया, छोड़ा. टाइम इज पासिंग, राइट? धीरे धीरे द सोल रीचेस फ्रॉम सत्युग टू त्रेता युग. Treta Yuga is also more or less perfect. It's like morning, after that afternoon. Not very bad. We're still quite fresh, quite energetic, but not as clean as the morning. Satyug and Treta Yuga, battery is still charged. We are soul consciousness. When we are soul consciousness, when the world is perfect, क्या हम भगवान को याद करेंगे? क्या हम भगवान को याद करेंगे? नहीं, not needed. So that time, no religion, no temples, no worship, nothing. It was a religion of peace, purity and love. Nothing needed, no differences, because there were not many religions. Everyone was the same, one. अब धीरे धीरे इतना समय बीता, the soul was taking the body. Gradually the soul started getting attached to the body. Like the chain we wear, the ring we wear, the watch we wear. जब हम शुरू में पहनते हैं, we are very clear, I am wearing this ring. But if we keep wearing it for quite some time, क्या होता है? धीरे धीरे क्या होता है? We forget that I am wearing a ring. It becomes a part of me. Similarly, when we first time took a body, we were very clear, I am a soul, this is my body, different. लेकिन धीरे धीरे after taking so many bodies, gradually I got attached to the body. And what did I start thinking? Who am I? Who am I? I am a body. I am a soul was gradually getting forgotten. The minute I thought I am a body, I looked at you and what did I think? Who are you? Body. This is body consciousness. This is when the first trace of lust, attraction towards the body, anger, greed, because when I thought that I was the body, what was my life? From this to this end, birth to death. So greed, इतने में ही सब कुछ चाहिए. अगर किसी ने नहीं दिया, गुस्सा, anger. If someone had a little more than me, jealousy. That is how धीरे धीरे, very धीरे धीरे, the vices started coming in. Not how it is now, but very little. And when the vices started coming in, we experienced pain. And the minute we experienced pain, whom did we remember? Whom did we remember? द फादर। जैसे ही बच्चा नीचे खेल रहा होता है, वो इज एंजॉइंग हिमसेल्फ, लेकिन खेलते खेलते जैसे ही उसको थोड़ी सी चोट लगती है, तो वो किसको याद करता है? वो अपने पेरेंट्स को याद करता है। हमने भी अपने पिता